Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones SONOS Ace. So let's get started by opening the application, and I recommend to install the application to enable a lot of features here. So the first one, you have ANC. I can live without ANC, so I like it and I guess it would be good for you. And also transparency mode, if you wanna speak with someone, you just swap to transparency mode and you don't want to take out your headphones. Next one, you have head tracking, so it means that these headphones have special audio, so you can enable head tracking in the application if you want to, of course. Next one, these headphones have dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your headphones and also you can enable it in the application. And these headphones have wear detection, so you can enable it, and that's a good feature. And the last one, that these headphones have a high quality codec. It's not LDAC, but it aptX, what is a good high quality codec also, but just on Android devices. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!